All right.
Is it true there's just one box of donuts? The girls had me go get the cart, and Logan says, I don't think they need a cart. And I said, so I'm going to take them and down so that they can, oh, that's going to take them no time.
Yeah.
Okay, James.
Other than that, it's raining.
Do they need to get anything else?
If they want to take some change with them, I can give them some change.
Okay.
All right, midpoint formula. X1 plus X2 over 2. And then the other point is Y1 plus Y2 over 2. So it's literally just finding the midpoint between 2 points. You add the two X values together and divide by 2. And then you add the two Y values together and divide by 2.
So hypothetically speaking, it would be X3 over 2. But like, whatever is in place for X.
Well, yeah, whatever the two X values are added together. Alright, so the midpoint 22 of 0, 1, and 8, 3. So we have X1 and Y1 and X2 and Y2. So our answer is an ordered pair, so we set it up that way. So X1 is 0 plus X2 is 8 over 2, comma, Y1 is 1 plus Y2 is 3 over 2. So this is 8 over 2 and 4 over 2, which reduce down to 4 and 2. And so your midpoint is at 4, 2.
Oh, that's not that bad. Alright, I'm still writing the formula.
That sounds like your problem.
It
You're messing
is.
around.
I'm not messing around.
Wait, does that say
She just writes fast.
Not really.
Yes, you do.
Well, also, if people were paying attention and not talking and looking at other people and goofing off, that would also help.
Bad at other subjects.
All right, 24. The point -5, 0, and 1, 14.
-5 plus 1 over 2.
Yep. -5 plus 1. Oops.
And then 0.
Over 2. And then comma 0 plus 14 over 2.
So we got -2 and 7.
So -4 over 2. So that's -2 and 7.
8 and what?
Joey, how can you not see that?
Well, because.
It's a 0 plus 8 over 2 and then 1 plus 3
No,
over 2.
above that.
Above that?
Yeah.
That's an x, y, and an x.
No, above that.
How do you not have that written down? It's the same things that are in those things, you just plug them into the... You don't need to see it, you can just figure it out.
Oh, so like 8,
0, 8,
8 and 3.
8.
I think I get it.
I get it. Matter of fact, I got it.
Oh.
I just realized it's a creeper. Like,
It's a Minecraft. Oh my gosh.
Can you shut up so you stare across the
You
monkey?
learned a weird Minecraft? You would automatically Alright.
All of y'all saw the thing from Mr. Sachs that disc golf is canceled, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is
Kind
my first
of
discount.
assumed.
Well, yeah, I mean, at lunch it was looking really promising, and then all of a sudden he and I were like, well, we'll just hold off and we'll just make a decision, like, after school or whatever, if it's still, like, if, you know, whatever. And literally, he left my room, and 5 minutes later, I was like, boom, bottom fell out of the sky.
I'm kind of bummed about that. This is my first discount shape.
Same.
No one asked Joey.
I was using a couple people.
I think it's cool how he started that.
You should start a
You're
chess
eating
club.
hash browns after
The chess club.
Why?
Yeah, I'll start one.
I'm pretty good at chess.
I could be. Yeah, that's not really an achievement. I almost beat you yesterday.
I almost did my uncle.
You what?
My uncle's switches.
You just like go
My
hard
uncle's
easy.
switches. Not that I could beat.
But
James beat me once out of like us playing for a year.
the last
I'm in.
Probably Nathan.
Well, it's not
It's not
That's
Nathan.
not Nathan.
You're
That's
back.
not true.
It's almost
back.
right.
It's
Oh,
also-
you have
It's
textbooks for
tall
me.
Nathan.
Yes, I do.
That is not tall Nathan.
With a lot of papers in them.
That's true. I need to get them out. On the, I need to,
Okay, well, you can get them out while I teach the midpoint formula.
Can I give you more tats?
What?
So can I give you more tats?
I heard
I thought you said more stats, and I was like, I think he's done with that.
I'm really like, no.
-6, 6, and 4, -4.
Alright, so we got -6 minus 4 over 2. I mean,
Plus.
I got a little ahead of myself. And then we got 6 plus 4.
Well, now it's plus -4 because the number is negative.
He got it. His friend got it.
It's okay. It's okay. It's been a long day and it's raining.
It is.
And you, yeah.
So what is this?
2.
Well, okay, what's the top?
Negative
Um,
2.
Over 2 is
2 over 2 is it actually 1. So
-1.
negative 1.
And 6 plus -4 is
Oh, that's
Probably like 2.
that's
over 2.
That's
And
one.
then 1.
It's 1.
What do you mean probably? Is it yes or no?
Maybe put this.
Yes.
There's a stack of books at the front. You can also look at those papers and see how many books you had. Are you sure you only have one of each
I
one?
had one. I took characters.
Is the other one at home?
Maybe. You can hash browns. Tell me you don't have that. I need to see a photo of them.
28. 2, 7, and 5, 3. Try this one on your own.
Do it on our own.
Yes.
Finally, I can keep up.
I can't see.
Well, you gotta catch up to keep up, but.
Yeah, I did catch up on that.
I turned in 6.
That's why I got the right answer.
I haven't looked at any of them
Things
yet.
are like y1 and x1 and stuff like that. That's the same way that we did like the other formula, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's probably right.
And with this one, because you're adding them, it really doesn't matter which one you put first, ultimately.
Oh, French.
So probably like
Can you shut up?
probably like 3.
Oh, I got a Plano thing in there.
Then it's 7 over 2. Then 10 over 2.
Alright, I got my answer.
And then today. Wait, that's a fraction.
Very cool.
Do I just leave it how it is if it's fractions?
Huh?
Do I just leave it how it is if it's
If it's odd on top, you can just leave it as a fraction. Yeah, that's fine.
So it's like 9
7
over
over
2.
2. Okay. 7 over 2.
Oh, that's what I got.
I missed
I knew
that.
Never mind. I'll take calculus. All right. What do we do?
How long you been that one?
7 over 2 and 5.
I got what Brandon got.
Same.
I got 6.
Oh, same.
Milk is probably right.
What? Make up your mind. Is that answer or
That-
6?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Great.
When?
Do we do anything further with the improper fraction?
You can leave it.
Oh yeah. He's smarter than you guys. I
I
think
don't
everyone's
know
smarter
if it's
than you.
proper.
All right, do another one. 12, -5, and did you get your other book cover off? Yeah, you did.
What class you really good
And -12, 4.
Maybe not grammar, but like writing it.
at? I mean, I guess Joey,
You want us to do
did,
this one on
Joey
our own?
did get to honors.
Yeah.
so-
We doing this on our own?
What?
Yes.
I did.
No, Joey, we're working out right
Shut
now.
up, Fred.
That wasn't called for. Chris said nothing was weird.
No, I did. I was
Why?
poking the dirt.
Yeah, poke me.
Oh,
Plus 4, 2.
plus minus.
Probably like -0, right?
Negative 0 is not a number, Jordan.
Yeah, it is.
Then it's just
Negative
0.
0 is not a number.
Or is it
No,
1?
no. You know what it is?
0.
You look up there. Irrational.
Oh.
If it's like a half, should you just turn it to like a 0.5 or no?
You can.
Wow, Chris.
You can either leave it as just like how we did in the last one, 7/2, or you could have written that one as 3.5.
Okay.
I got
I
so I got 0 over 2.
Well, I got 1/2 for one of them, but I don't.
Well, 0 divided by anything is what?
Zero. So it's just zero.
Yeah, oh, I got it.
0 and
Uh.
1 over 2.
Alright, so
0 and 1.
12 plus negative 12 over 2, and then negative 5 plus 4 over 2. So that's 0 over 2, which is just 0, and then negative 1 over 2. Or you can write it as negative 0.5, either way.
I think we're ready for the I just
I'm
want
gonna
to
say, are we good?
Yeah.
I just want to take a
I
nap.
think it makes sense.
Me too.
Fine, it makes sense. Right now. I dare you.
Why would I do that? I'm in class.
23,
Do my homework, I'll take a nap.
Yeah, but we'll-
27, 29. And when you're done, you can just come show them to me like you did yesterday. And then if y'all want to play games, you can play games after that.
That's a